my god, oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible.
Alright, so we are here at Bullock's Bid and Buy auction company to pick up our stuff. It's gonna be awesome. Pretty excited. Look how excited Sarah is.
Thumbs up.
We're gonna go in there. Hopefully they'll let me film a little bit, so we're gonna find out. If not, we'll do it out here in the parking lot. Alright, here's a sneak preview of what we got.
X-Men?
These are for Sarah.
Not all of them.
Just the dolls.
I don't know how this is. Something. she might be. Oh, I didn't even see this either. This is neat. Yeah, fun.
So there's the preview. We'll go over it in a little more detail back at the house.
Menudo.
Alright, we got another stop to make. This one in Burgettstown, Pennsylvania. It's about an hour south of here. So, we got a little drive. But you don't. Alright, we're at the next pickup location. It's at a gun club. So, that's kind of interesting. But yeah, we're going to go inside. This is Paris Sportsman's Club in Burgettstown.
It's Burgettstown.
Burgettstown. Sorry, Sarah corrected me. It's Burgettstown. We're gonna go get our stuff. Alright. This is what we got. Creepy dog. Alright, so we're back home. And I'm going to show you guys what we got. So, there we go. We've got vintage KitchenAid mixer. It works. We just tried it. So, this should be a pretty good flip. I think we're not too familiar with KitchenAid mixers. I kind of bought it because it was cheap. And but I'm thinking at least $50 for it. It's quite old. And it works pretty well. It's got the bowl and the mixer, so it should be good. It's got a vintage stereograph over here. Stereoscope. Sorry. With some pictures.
Cards,
whatever. I don't know what they are.
It's like an old school Viewmaster.
Yeah, that's kind of what it is. Got some old books here. There's some ephemera.
Firearms.
In here. Oh, these are firearm reloading
and
books.
some like DVDs, which I didn't even know were in there.
There's DVDs in there.
That was probably a mistake, but sell it together as a lot.
Yeah. Got a creepy baby doll for Sarah. So creepy. Behind that's an automatic ice maker. We were on the live auction last night and nobody was bidding on it, so I bought it for $1. It's all in there and they're worth about $40, so I'm actually pretty excited that I got it. So moving along, we got some various ephemera here.
That one's so good. Look at this catalog. Look at how awesome this is. This is 1956. Look, isn't this awesome?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I want to keep this. $1.49. Underpants. Ooh, scandalous. Okay. Look at this. $3.29 for a purse. I love this. I love this.
Moving along, there's a Gene Autry comic book in here. A few other things.
Oh, it's like another cool catalog.
Yep.
Love the ephemera.
Got another train. The High Baller this time. This looks like it's pretty complete in the box here. We got some creepy babies again for Sarah. This is soap. What was the band?
Oh, Menudo.
Menudo soap. I guess they did it as a promotion back in the day.
Yeah, it came in a TV box.
Yeah.
But we don't have the box. But I think
still
we'll
sealed though.
Sell them together.
Got a kaleidoscope, vintage kaleidoscope here. We got some more ephemera. This is a vintage Master Comics comic book with Captain Marvel Jr. This guy's worth about $50 on its own. Pretty cool there. Got some Omega comics. I bid on these. Didn't think I was going to win, and I won for $12. So they're worth about $30 for the whole set. I think the whole set's there, but I'm not sure. I couldn't really tell from the pictures. Next up, we got some Blondie comics here.
These are cute.
Pretty cool, and they're in really good shape. So this was just a mixed lot of some smalls. There's a Cabbage Patch button in here, some various toys and so forth. There's a Grimace right there. Came with that McDonald's lunchbox. Got an X-Men toy, the Mutant Cycle, Wolverine Mutant Cycle, still new in the box, worth about $20-25. Then this, the Bionic Transport for the $6 Million Man. This, I haven't opened it yet, but I from the pictures I could tell it's complete in there. And none of the decals have been removed either. So this should be worth right around $150. So got that. The Sony Dream Machine that's down here with the iPod dock. Or, I'm sorry, original iPhone dock right there. These are worth like $20. I got it for $2. Because nobody else was bidding on it, so it's like, oh, I'll take it and sell it for $20, sure. So there's that, and then the score of the day, maybe is this. We've got Garbage Pail Kids. Come to find out that the majority of these are from 2004, but there's some originals in here as well, and some rares. So we've got a lot to go through all these and make sure that we don't have anything too rare. But they should definitely fetch a good bit of money with no problems. We've got some ashtrays too.
Yeah, those are like some kind of, I don't even know what they are.
We don't normally buy, well, I buy ashtrays and I just keep them because I like them. But
they're Viking art glass.
They're Viking art glass ashtrays, so I guess they're worth a little bit of money. And then I got this for my own collection because I used to go to Reno all the time when I lived out west. So these are some vintage Reno matchbooks. And there's a cat. That's our chubby boy. So,
Gus, tell them about these wonderful products.
Say like and subscribe. He's shy. I know he's not. All right, guys, and that's it for today. If you haven't, subscribe to the channel. We're going to be doing a lot more of this, so we're trying to do as many online auctions as we can because it seems to be a lot easier. And you get cool, really, really cool stuff. So we like it a lot. And yeah, that's it. So subscribe to the channel, and we're going to get going. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Good day, sir!